This is GCSE Maths Further Pure. We're on chapter 2. We're doing quadratic inequalities, and this is doing a quadratic inequality by completing the square. So we're going to take this, of course, then we're going to consider half of this. So it's going to be x minus 7 over 2 all squared. So I'm going to consider that. That's equal to, of course, x minus 7 over 2 multiplied by x minus 7 over 2. Multiplying this out gives us x squared minus 7 over 2x minus 7 over 2x. That obviously gives us minus 7x. And then that is plus 49 over 4. So that's what we're going to consider. And then we're going to rewrite then what we have. So if we have x squared minus 7x minus 18, that's the same as x minus 7 over 2 all squared. This gives us a 49 over 4 that we do not want, so it's minus 49 over 4 and then minus 18. We're going to solve this equation, so we're going to put it equal to 0, but we'll tidy this up first. So it's x minus 7 over 2 all squared. Take away, so it's 18. Let me consider this. So it's 18 times 4. If we just go 49 over 4, take away 72 over 4. That then will be x minus 7 over 2 all squared. Take away 121 over 4. Now to solve this, if we let this equal to 0, x minus 7 over 2 all squared minus 121 over 4 equals 0. Should maybe have done that at the start, but that's okay. And we're then going to take the square root of both sides. And that's then going to give us, I'm going to take the 7 over 2 over, so it's going to be 7 over 2 plus or minus, and this cancels down. The square root of 121 is 11, and the square root of 4 is 2. So it's 3.5 plus or minus 5.5. So that gives us then x 3.5 plus 5.5 gives us 9. 3.5 take away 5.5, then minus 2. So we set up a wee bit of a table here to work out when things are positive or negative. We have, I guess, kind of our critical values here. Our equation is x squared minus 7x minus 18, and we're splitting into 3 sections, so our smallest anywhere x is less than minus 2, anywhere where x is between minus 2 and 9, and anywhere where x is greater than 9. Okay, I'll do a couple of quick lines down here. If we take a number less than minus 2 and substitute it in here, we get a positive number. For example, if you take minus 3, if you wish, minus 3 squared would give us a positive 9, plus 21 minus 18, it gives us a positive number. If we take a number in between minus 2 and 9, for example 0, that would give us a negative. And if I pick a number greater than 9, that gets so big and that it makes everything positive. If you take 10, for example, we get 100, take away 70, take away 18, that gives us a positive number. What do we want in our question here? We want where x squared minus 7x minus 18 is greater than 0. That's the same as x squared minus 7x minus 18 is positive. And that happens then when x is less than minus 2, or x is greater than 9.